Hey everyone! When was the last time you actually tasted your food? Not just ate it, but truly experienced it. If you're like most people, you're eating on autopilot, scrolling through your phone, rushing in between meetings, or standing at the kitchen counter, and you're missing out on one of the life's simplest pleasures and a powerful tool for better health. I'm Stephanie, a certified nutrition coach and wellness specialist at RTB Spa in Houston. And today I'm sharing a mindful eating practice that takes just 5 minutes, but can transform your relationship with food forever. So let's dive in. Before you take a single bite, let's reconnect with your senses. This is a 60-second food reconnection technique. First, breathe. Take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. It should look like this. Nice and slow. This breathing activates your parasympathetic nerve system, which helps with digestion. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that eating in a relaxed state improves nutrition absorption by up to 30%. Second thing to do, see your food. And I really mean see it. Notice the colors, the textures, the way the light hits it. Even if you're eating a simple sandwich at your desk, take 10 seconds to appreciate what's in front of you. This visual engagement primes your brain for satisfaction. The third thing, ask yourself one question before the first bite. Am I eating because I'm physically hungry or for another reason? There's no judgment here. Sometimes we eat for comfort, stress relief, or celebration. But awareness is the first step to transformation. Studies show that people who pause before eating consume 20% fewer calories and report greater meal satisfaction. Now let's talk about the perfect mindful bite. This is where the magic happens. Step 1, the first bite. Put your fork down after taking a bite. Yes, really. This simple act slows you down and signals your brain to pay attention. Step 2, chew intentionally. Aim for 20 to 30 chews per bite. I know that sounds like a lot, but here's why it matters. Digestion begins in your mouth. Enzymes in your saliva breaks down food. And a thorough chewing reduces bloating and improves nutrition absorption. A study in the obesity research and clinical practice found that people who chewed each bite 40 times consumed 12% fewer calories and felt fuller faster. Step 3, savor the layers. Notice the first taste, then the middle notes, then the finish. Is it sweet, salty, creamy, crunchy? When you're eating slowly, you unlock flavors you've been missing your entire life. Here's the unexpected pleasure. When you eat mindfully, you actually enjoy the food more. You feel satisfied with less. And the guilt or shame around eating is gone. It starts to dissolve because you're present and not on autopilot. This satisfaction trick, check in with yourself halfway through your meal. Ask, am I still hungry or am I satisfied? Satisfaction is different from fullness. Fullness is a physical. Your stomach is stretched. Satisfaction is mental and emotional. You feel content. When you're satisfied, you can stop, even if food remains. Okay, so mindful eating sounds great in theory, but how do you actually do this in real life when you're busy, stressed, and juggling with a million things? Mindful eating at work. You don't need a fancy setup, even at your desk. You can practice. Step away from your computer for 5 minutes. Put your phone face down. Take 3 deep breaths before eating. Focus on the first 3 bites with full attention And that's it. Those first 3 bites set the tone for your entire meal. Family meals transformed. Make mindful eating a shared experience. Try this. Everyone takes 1 bite in silence, then shares one thing they notice about the food. And kids do love this game, and it creates connection without pressure. Research from the Appetite Journal shows that families who eat mindfully together have better communication and less mealtime conflict. The secret is consistency in a busy world. You don't have to eat every meal mindfully. Just start with 1 meal or snack per day. Maybe it's your morning coffee, your lunch, or an afternoon snack. Consistency beats perfection every time. And here's the truth. Mindful eating isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. Some meals you'll be distracted, and that's okay. Just come back to the practice when you can. So let's recap the 3 core principles for your lifelong mindful eating journey. 1. Reconnect before you eat. Breathe. See your food and ask yourself why you're eating. Number 2. Savor each bite. Chew intentionally. Taste the layers. And check in for satisfaction, not just fullness. 3. Integrate daily. Start with 1 mindful meal. Make it a practice, not a performance. Here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow or today, choose just 1 meal to eat mindfully. It could be breakfast, lunch, a snack, whatever feels doable. Use the 60-second reconnection. Take your first 3 bites and with full attention and notice how you feel afterwards. And here's the ripple effect. When you eat mindfully, you make better food choices naturally. You reduce stress, you improve digestion, you reconnect with your body's wisdom. It's not just about food, it's about how you show up for yourself every single day. If you are in the Houston area and want support on your wellness journey, whether it's nutrition coaching, stress relief through massage, or body sculpting, I'm here for you at RTB Spa. Book your RTB Spa session here, or you can call us at 713-322-6640. And if this resonated with you, subscribe for more mindful wellness practices. I'm here to help you relax, rejuvenate, and reveal your best self. See you on the next video.